Attention students and parents. Are you looking for the best coaching institute to help you excel in your studies and crack competitive exams? Look no further. Welcome to Tawani Tutorials, a legacy of excellence since 1991. With over 30+ years of experience, our expert faculty, comprising doctors and engineers, has been shaping the future of students just like you. We specialize in Class 9 and 10th coaching and have unparalleled expertise in Class 11, 12, NEET, JEE, and MHTCET. Whether you're from the CBSE board or state board, science and commerce, we've got you covered. With experimental and 3D teaching and cutting-edge digital classrooms, we make learning more interactive and effective than ever before. Year after year, we produce top results. Will you be next? Visit us in Sada, Nagpur. Call us at 989-025-5075. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and all social media platforms to stay updated on our latest tips, success stories, and study hacks. Hear from our students. Aman Shukla, who is a JEE ranker, says, Tawani Tutorials transformed my learning experience. The 3D teaching method helped me visualize concepts better, and the expert faculties guided me every step of the way. I cracked JEE with flying colors. Priya Kanan, who is a NEET ranker, says, the personalized attention and innovative teaching methods made all the difference. Thanks to Tawani Tutorials, I secured a top rank in NEET. Join the winning team at Tawani Tutorials and take your academic success to new heights. Remember, success starts here at Tawani Tutorials.